Okay, now let us discuss what is action publicana. Last time, I have discussed to you action interdictal which consists of unlawful detainer and forcible entry. At sabi natin doon, it must be filed within 1 year from the time of your last demand to vacate na natanggap ng other party kung unlawful detainer. At the same time, it must be filed from the time na na-dispossess ka for forcible entry. Kung the disposition is by stealth, from the time na na-discover mo ang entry ng kabilang party. Kung hindi mo na siya na-file within the 1 year period, hindi ibig sabihin na wala ka ng remedy, hindi mo na mababawi yung property. It's just nawalan ka lang ng opportunity na mapabilis yung kaso mo kasi nga yung action interdictal is governed by the rules on summary procedure. That is under the expedited rules of procedure in first level courts. So here are you have to consider in action publicana kung ikaw ay magkukuha ng bar. Number 1, it's a plenary action governed by the regular procedure. Okay? Second, generally, it is filed beyond the 1 year period from the time na nag-accrue yung cause of action mo. Meaning, from the time na na-dispossess ka, lumagpas na sa 1 year from the time of dispossession ng property mo, pwede ka pang mag-file ng action publicana. Second, is that yung issue dito na isisettle ng court who has the better right to physical or material possession of the property. And third, ang court na may jurisdiction ngayon depends on the assessed value of the property. I-check nyo yan, no? Unlike sa action interdictal, it is within the exclusive jurisdiction of the first level court. Sa MTC or METC ka lang mag-file niyan. That is under Rule 70 Section 1 and expedited procedures, rules of procedures in the first level courts. Pero yung action publicana, depende na kung saan may pa-file sa assessed value ng property. Ito pa, tandaan nyo sa action publicana. Kung inallege ng isang party ang ownership of property, automatic ba hindi na siya pasok sa action publicana? The answer is no. Kasi nga, hindi ibig sabihin na inallege na yung ownership or may ownership issue na automatic outside na sa action publicana. Mali yan. Kasi jurisprudence dictates that the court may rule on the issue of ownership in order